Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So, how are you all? I hope you all would be good. Fantastic. So, without further ado, let's start the video. Friend, this video is very important for especially beginner who are willing to learn this language but they don't have any guidance from where and how they should start their journey. दे हैव टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज देयर ऑन वे रैंडमली। उनके पास कोई गाइडेंस ही नहीं है, वो रैंडमली इस लैंग्वेज को लर्न करने जा रहे हैं। In that case, it's very important to know them from where and how they should start their journey. Why? Because you know, if I talk about intermediate and upper intermediate, so they have experience, knowledge, that much time they have spent so that they can differentiate what kind of content will benefit, what kind of content they should watch, they should listen, follow, so that that will benefit them and help them to improve their English. But in case of beginners, they don't have such understanding, experience, knowledge. Randomly they start learning and they start following anything else. And after spending time when they don't get benefit, improvement, then they feel very bad. Why I'm not improving? Why I'm not learning? Being a beginner, a lot of learner they make mistake. I also made a mistake and here I would like to share with you. It's very important to know so that you cannot repeat this mistake if you are a beginner, a learner. So see what I had made a mistake when I was beginner, truly beginner and started my journey. So in that time I was searching how to start learning speaking English and so many videos I watched. One video I got, watch movie. वाई मूवी? क्योंकि हम कैसे अपना नेटिव लैंग्वेज लर्न किए हैं, अपना मदर टंग कैसे लर्न किए हैं, घर में परिवार को, सोसाइटी को लिसन कर करके। ओके, एंड मूवी इज़ द मिरर ऑफ सोसाइटी। मूवी भी हमारे लाइफ की तरह होता है, उसमें भी फैमिली होता है, नेबर होते हैं और वो सब जो है होता है जो हमारे लाइफ में होता है। तो they were talking about watch movie. So you can learn a language. It's easy to learn any language by movie. I thought, yeah, it's very important. I should watch movie. So आई विल लर्न बिकॉज हमने तो ऐसे ही अपना मदर टंग सीखा है घर में, इस पड़ोस में सबको सुन सुन के, और मूवी में तो यही दिखाया जाता है, पड़ोस, घर, फैमिली. So yeah, this is the best way to learn this language. And I had also watched so many videos like learn grammar and all. So I was thinking उससे तो अच्छा है ना ग्रामर सीखने और वो सब मेहनत करने से अच्छा है मूवी देखते हैं, आराम से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाएंगे. But it was not easy. I started watching movie. I watched 3-4 forcefully. I was watching, but nothing was going in my mind. I was not able to understand. I spent 10-15 days behind it, but I didn't improve anything else. After that I understood, it is not going to benefit me. I should do something else. Finally I had to come and start my journey with basic things, with basic structure, with grammar, with tense. Why? Because I understood. मैं एक हिंदी मीडियम बैकग्राउंड के स्टूडेंट हूँ और हमारे जो है आसपास एनवायरनमेंट नहीं है, तो हम सुन के तो सीख नहीं सकते हैं, बट मूवी से भी नहीं सीख सकते, वो भी ट्राई कर लिया. सो ओनली देयर इज़ वन वे, दैट इज़ learning tenses, grammar, and I started doing that one, and really with the help of those things I learned speaking English. तो हम जब बिगनर होते हैं ना, हम एक एम्प्टी होते हैं, खाली होते हैं, जिस तरफ हमें मोड़ दिया जाए उसी तरफ हम भागने लगते हैं, लाइक अ चाइल्ड. There are lot of content, but being a beginner it's hard to differentiate. बिगनर होने के नाते ये समझ में ही नहीं आता है कि कौन सा कंटेंट हमारे लिए है और कौन सा कंटेंट हमारे लिए नहीं है। हम चाहते हैं हम अच्छा से अच्छा फॉलो करें, अच्छा से अच्छा वीडियो वॉच करें, लिसन करें, स्पीकिंग करें, वर्ड सीखें, यही हम जो है चाहते हैं। बट चाहने से कुछ नहीं होता है। ओके, वी शुड हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल्सो। हमारे पास वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी होना चाहिए। लाइक one child directly cannot be taught word sentences if he has not the understanding of letter। अगर कोई बच्चा है जिसको लेटर समझ में नहीं आता है, वो वर्ड और सेंटेंसेस समझ नहीं सकता है। पहले उसको लेटर समझना है। अगर उसे लेटर की समझ नहीं है, वो वर्ड क्या समझेगा, सेंटेंसेस क्या समझेगा। सो सिमिलरली अ बिगिनर कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इंटरमीडिएट लेवल, एडवांस लेवल, वर्ड, सेंटेंसेस, वीडियो, बुक्स, इंग्लिश कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड। पहले उसको बेसिक लेवल की अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिल्ड करना है, तभी वो इंटरमीडिएट और एडवांस लेवल समझ पाएगा। सो दैट इज़ वाई इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू नो from where and how being a beginner should start their journey of speaking English. So if you are beginner, then you should start with basic level word, basic level sentences, and basic level speaking, reading, listening. Why? Because listening, speaking, reading, writing, these are important for speaking English, also grammar. So here I will highly recommend to all beginners. If you are beginner, then don't go for intermediate and advanced level, go for basic level. Try to build your understanding in basic things. If you don't understand basic, you cannot understand intermediate. So firstly, go learn basic word, basic structures. If you don't know how to say मेरे पास दो कलमे हैं, how you will make advanced level? You can't make. So learn basic structures like have, has, am, are, is, these kinds of basic. Then tenses, and also read basic level books, kids story book, listen basic level English, watch basic level video like cartoons, story, and beginner level conversation video. And also learn basic sentences. Please talk to me, go to there, I am hungry, such made sentences learn, and you start your speaking in this way. Then you will build understanding in basic, and from where you will start improving learning this language, and that will help you to understand another level, next level. So work on the base foundation. What? Basic. Learn first basic word, basic structures, tenses, read kids story, watch beginner conversation video, and story, kids, cartoons, and speak basic sentences. And that's how start your journey. So that will really help you to improve your English from first day, and you know speak this language, understand this language, and build your understanding in English. So that's how a beginner should start their journey. So now I hope you understood from where and how you should start your journey. If you, then please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. We will meet in next video. Happy learning.